Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we'll share with you the art of transforming a small backyard into beautiful and functional outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard, no matter its size, is an extension of your home and a sanctuary for relaxation and entertainment. Small backyards, often overlooked, possess immense potential for transformation. Today, we delve into the world of small backyard landscaping, uncovering its significance, benefits, and design strategies. Join us as we explore how to elevate your outdoor space and create a captivating oasis that reflects your personal style. Small backyard landscaping is the art of optimizing a limited outdoor area to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing environment. It involves careful planning, strategic plant selection, and creative design elements to maximize the space's potential. By understanding the unique challenges and opportunities presented by a small backyard, homeowners can transform it into a delightful retreat. Investing in small backyard landscaping offers numerous advantages. First and foremost, it enhances the overall appeal of your home. A well-designed backyard can significantly increase property value. Moreover, it provides a dedicated outdoor space for relaxation, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying nature's beauty. Additionally, landscaping can improve air quality, reduce stress, and create a sense of tranquility. How to making a small backyard to look bigger and spacious? Creating the illusion of a larger backyard involves clever design techniques. Opt for light-colored materials and plants to reflect sunlight and make the space appear more open. Incorporate vertical elements like trellises or tall plants to draw the eye upward. Use mirrors strategically to create the illusion of depth. Consider using a consistent color palette to unify the space and avoid visual clutter. By applying these strategies, you can make your small backyard feel more spacious and inviting. How to decorating a small backyard to look beautiful? Transforming a small backyard into a visual masterpiece requires a thoughtful approach. Begin by defining your style and desired atmosphere. Consider incorporating elements such as vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and decorative accents to create a focal point. Vertical gardening is an excellent option for maximizing space while adding visual interest. Strategic placement of outdoor furniture and lighting can further enhance the ambience. Remember, less is often more when it comes to small spaces. Transforming a small outdoor space into a captivating oasis requires creativity and thoughtful planning. Here are top 10 best small backyard landscaping ideas to elevate your backyard. 1. Intimate seating area. Create a cozy retreat by arranging comfortable outdoor furniture, soft cushions, and perhaps a small coffee table. Enhance the ambience with string lights or lanterns for a magical evening atmosphere. 2. Vertical garden. Maximize your space and add a touch of greenery with a vertical garden. This can be as simple as a wall-mounted planter or a more elaborate system with multiple tiers. Choose a variety of plants with different heights and colors for visual interest. 3. Water feature. Introduce the calming sound of water with a small fountain, pondless waterfall, or even a simple bird bath. The gentle flow of water creates a serene ambience and attracts wildlife to your garden. 4. Outdoor kitchenette. Expand your entertaining possibilities with a compact outdoor kitchen. Incorporate a grill, a small refrigerator, and a countertop for food preparation. Even a simple setup can transform your backyard into a culinary haven. 5. Zen garden. Embrace minimalism and tranquility with a Zen garden. Use raked gravel, carefully placed rocks, and a few well-chosen plants to create a peaceful and meditative space. 6. Patio with fire pit. Create a gathering spot for friends and family with a stylish patio and a cozy fire pit. Enjoy warm evenings roasting marshmallows, sharing stories, and relaxing outdoors. 7. Herb garden. Cultivate fresh herbs for cooking and enjoy their aromatic benefits. An herb garden can be as simple as a few pots on your patio or a raised bed filled with your favorite culinary plants. 8. Outdoor dining area. Transform your backyard into an al fresco dining space with a dining table and chairs. Create a charming atmosphere with outdoor lighting, decorative table settings, and fragrant flowers. 9. Children's play area. Design a fun and safe space for kids to play and explore. Incorporate age-appropriate play equipment, a soft surface for safety, and perhaps a small sandbox or water feature. 10. Rooftop terrace, if applicable. If you have a rooftop, take advantage of this unique space by creating a stunning urban oasis. Incorporate potted plants, comfortable seating, and outdoor lighting to transform your rooftop into a private retreat. These ideas offer a starting point for transforming your small backyard into a delightful outdoor space. Remember, the key to success is to choose elements that reflect your personal style and create a functional and enjoyable environment. Transforming a small backyard into a captivating outdoor space is achievable with careful planning and creativity. By incorporating the design principles and ideas discussed, you can create a haven that reflects your personal style and enhances your quality of life. Remember, even the smallest outdoor area has the potential to become a remarkable retreat. Ready to embark on your small backyard landscaping journey? Explore our Homes Decor Designs channel for more inspiration and practical tips. Let's create an outdoor oasis together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.